Mhm.
I don't know. I mean, I was gonna get the toy over there, but you know, it's packed up, and you gotta fill all the stockings up with candy cane.
Mhm.
And Rudolph, he's not coming over here because he's busy